How to hard factory reset Bluripp Sleepals Micro sleep earbuds back to their factory default settings in case you're having any issues that you need to troubleshoot, like these are not pairing with your phone or other device, or they keep disconnecting, or they're not responding, or if you're getting sound out of only the left or the right earbud. That means that one of the earbuds have become unsynced from one another, and we need to resync the two earbuds. All of this will happen if we do the reset. Also, if you're giving these away or something like that, and you just want to set them up new, delete them off your phone, off everything they've been paired with in the past, and do this, then we can set them up like a new set of earbuds. But anyway, very easy to do. All we need to do is open the case, have the earbuds in the case, and by the way, if you want these, I'll put a link down below to where you can get them. But anyways, there's this button in the middle here. We're just gonna press and hold that button and keep an eye on here until these lights flash. See, they flashed. You can go ahead and let go. Now we can go ahead, take these out, and I'll see if you can hear. So they connect to one another, and then they'll pair.